I am back to do another, as you all can see, another MCM video. Y'all, I just been running across so many amazing deals on these MCM bags on these other sites like Poshmark, MERCARI, and stuff like that or whatever. So if I see a deal really good and too hard to pass, I'm gonna get it. So that is the case here, and this right here was an amazing deal. So let me show you guys what I got, because it's gonna be a real short video because I've already did a video like this before. So here is the bag, y'all. It's another MCM mini backpack, and this is the MCM Stark Bebe Boo backpack in the Facetos, and this is the color powder pink, and then it has the gray or whatever. Like I said, I got this bag off of MERCARI, and this bag retails for $750. Y'all, tell me why I only paid $350 for this backpack. She was asking $380. I sent her an offer of, no, I paid $360 for the backpack. She was asking $380, and I sent her an offer of $350, and she was like, can you do $360? And I was like, yeah. So just an extra $10. Yes ma'am. So I ended up getting the bag for $360, and she sent it through UPS, so I got it like really fast or whatever. So bag is in excellent condition. She said the bag was brand new, that she never did use it or whatever. And so here is the bag. So like I said, it's in the color powder pink with the gold accent, and it still has the plastic on that. And then here is the side, and then here is the back. And this one right here does have the belt loop right there, so I was excited about that. And then here's the other side, and does have the little pockets and stuff on the side. And then here's to the bottom. And then we're gonna go, and it's gonna be real fast. And then here are both of my straps. And then the inside is just like my cognac one or whatever, black with the two things in the two pockets in the back. So yeah, I thought that was like an amazing deal that I couldn't pass up. I really didn't need another mini backpack, but for that price, I was like, I'll take that. So I went to Hobby Lobby and bought this cute little puff ball. So I just attached the little puff ball to the side or whatever. It's not in the way or anything. So when I open my bag, it'll move to there. I didn't want to put it right there, so I just have it to the side. And then I also have my Coach bag charm with this little, it has the pink, the soft pink, and then it has like a little darker pink or whatever. And I figured I probably can, put that on the back right here. And I thought that was really cute. So just in case I carry it like this, or I still can carry it as a shoulder bag, and it's still, that still don't dangle right there. Because I thought that was so cute. So it's just a way to accessorize the little bag, give it a little oomph to it. So I just wanted to show that to you guys. My little amazing find, my little cute pink backpack. And I do want this color in the big tote. I would love to get it in the powder pink of that big tote, but that's not something that I need like right this moment. But if y'all know me now, if I come across a good deal, now I'm gonna get it. But other than that, I'm not looking, I haven't been actively looking for the pink tote or whatever. So I just wanted to show you guys my little good deal that I got and everything. Oh, and then in the this little pocket right here, that's what she had put the authenticity card. She told me she had stuck it in there or whatever. And she was a really nice seller. I mean, she told me when she shipped it, and then once it made it, she was like, your item is here and all this other stuff. She was really nice or whatever. So I loved working with her. So anyways, like always, if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.